mine, well, my kids definitely. It's going to be. She loves cooking fajitas and pork chops. I mean, it's just. It's. I've even taught her how to put on the. I mean, it's so easy that my kids, my 8-year-old kids, work at REC TEC, just like me. I mean, all right, Dad, it's time to cook. What do we want to eat? Let's eat some chicken. Okay. She starts it because it's already at temp. It's at 300. I was like, all right, let's put the chicken on then. And so she kind of looked at me and said, what, really? I was like, yeah, really, put the chicken on. So she put the chicken on, closed the grill. She goes, all right, chicken's on. So yeah, I start them out pretty early learning how to grill. My kiddos.
Yeah. Yeah, ask him. He's right back there. What does he like to cook?
What's that? Steak.
Steak.
Yeah, he likes steak, and his sister likes steak too. So, thank God I have very low spending kids. They don't like the good stuff. Poor them. They don't like.
They only like to eat.
Steak. Yeah.